If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for ROBLOX Corporation with the ticker symbol RBLX. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for ROBLOX, and previously prices were inside of a downtrend. This was the channel that was holding prices very nicely inside of it. Let's go drag it down, and then we finally had the first break of the pattern, but that doesn't mean we reverse. Usually go back down to retest the previous low in the form of two legs, and that's pretty much what we did. We had a leg right here, we went up, and then this was the second leg. It wasn't two perfect legs because the market isn't perfect all the time. We did come up short of the measure move because the measure move was at the $22 level and we stopped at the $36 level. We reversed, and now we're seeing a pullback in the market. So is this the bottom of the downtrend and we're going to start reversing or not? Well, it's a little hard to tell right now because it's just too early. This could be a downtrend. This could be a formation of an uptrend. It is more likely than before because we had a break of the downtrend pattern and it looks like it has played out. So this definitely is more likely to be a bottom than any other pullback before in the market, but it doesn't mean we are guaranteed to start going up and up. So we are finding resistance at this prior swing at the $52 level. You can see that we are starting to consolidate right above the EMA and between this resistance level. So it could be just prices taking a break before breaking through that level. So it's not a bearish sign or bullish. However, eventually you want to see prices break this $52 level and come back all the way up to the $66, $67 level to fill in this gap that prices created. So if prices can break through that resistance level at that $52 level, I think prices will rocket up and fill in this gap and reach the $66, $67 level. So that's what I think can happen if prices are strong enough, and we can probably get it in the formation of two legs. So this would be the first leg up and this would be the second leg right here. And if this is the bottom and we just start to trend up, the target is at the $62, $63 level, and I think we can get two legs up just like we did over here. We had a leg up, we sold off, and we had the second leg up. So the market moves in twos. So here we had a leg up, we sold off a little bit, we had a little correction, and now we're probably going to make that second leg up if prices are bullish and reach probably that $67 level. Now let's take a look at the bear side. The bearish side is that we already had the first break of this yellow uptrend channel that was working higher. So you can see that this red candle is not inside this yellow channel any longer. So what does that mean? We can go back up to retest the previous highs, maybe something like that. And if we get rejected again from this $52, $53 level, that'll be a triple test of this resistance level, $52 level, and that could send prices all the way back down to the lows. So it just depends what prices want to do, and you have to just react to every new candle that can form on the chart. So right now it looks like it can do both because we are not near that $52 level, but if prices blast through it and we continue to trend higher, then most likely we're going to be heading higher to the $67 level. Now if prices touch that line and we start seeing red candles start coming in the market, we're probably going back down to the lows at the $36 level. Again, if that $36 level doesn't hold, we're probably going to reach somewhere in the low 20s. That's what this chart is telling me. It looks also that we had a leg down right here, and then we had a bigger second leg. So whenever the first and third legs are usually the same size, if I drag this over from the start of the formation, the third leg, you can see this also in the $20 target range at the $27 level. So there's two measure moves in the $20 level target range. So we'll have to wait and see if the prices want to reach that. We don't have to reach it if prices are bullish. This could be a good sign that we don't reach it, because then that would show signs of weakness in this downtrend, and we could see much higher prices. So this is a little too early to tell. Traders are indecision. They have some indecision in them because we had a break of that downtrend pattern, and it looks like it has played out, but they're still wondering if we're gonna have a formation of an uptrend, or are we just gonna be probably trending sideways or something. Maybe we don't go up, maybe we get rejected here, we bounce from support, and we just go sideways. So traders are having some indecision in the market, but it is definitely more likely that this is a bottom than previously before. And remember, you can only have one bottom, so every pullback that Roblox had in this downtrend ended up not being the bottom. So what is the chances of this pullback being the bottom? So it is more likely because we're not inside the pattern any longer, and the pattern has played out. But again, it's still a start. It could be just the start of an uptrend, or it could just be another correction for prices to go back down. So that's everything I have for Roblox. It's just dependent on that resistance level at the $52 level. We either break it and start building support behind us, or we go up again and get rejected, and prices get sent down to the lows. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Roblox. We are far away from the EMA, and the previous week candle close was nice and bullish. However, this week is a reversal candle bar because it's red and there's a lot of tail to it on the top side. So this looks like a little reversal, kind of like what we had over here, except this was bigger, and we engulfed or just was much bigger than the previous bars. So this red candle for this week looks like just a little pullback. We could travel down a little bit lower just to trap in shorts and then rock it up. That's definitely possible for prices to do. And again, they could reach that previous resistance level or the previous breakout level at the $67, $68 level if we start to continue to trend higher. And it's also right where the EMA is. So definitely reasons for prices wanting to come up. The bear side is a lower probability because we are far away from the EMA. And like I said before, the pattern looks like it's played out. That doesn't mean we won't form another downtrend pattern, but this downtrend pattern was played out because we had a break outside the pattern and a retest of the previous lows. So now it looks like prices want to at least reset and pull back much more than we had in the past. So it looks like I'm betting for higher prices. It does definitely look more possible. I see more reasons for prices to continue higher than lower, but again, we can't ignore that this is just this could just turn into a pullback in the grand scheme of things for this downtrend. So that's everything I have for Roblox. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.